Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I basically just wanted to use one product that I'm really excited about. I am talking about the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Into the Blue. It is a blue-purple liquid glitter. So yeah, I've been doing a lot of housework today and just cleaning and dusting. I need to just clear the skin a little bit. So I'm going to be using the Clean Slate Mecca Cosmetica micellar water. And guys, how pretty is this packaging? Like, it is so pretty and it smells like roses. Ugh. Just a few drops on a cotton pad. For my primer, I'm going in with Farsali Unicorn Essence. I haven't done a makeup look for a really long time. I've just been doing like a lot of product reviews because a lot of exciting things have been coming out. For today's foundation, I'm going in with Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation in Y405. And just to blend out the foundation, I'm going in with Zoeva 122 Petite Stippling Brush. I've been really liking using brushes again. Well, the main thing is that my beauty blenders are not clean, so that's why I've been using brushes lately. I think I put too much foundation on. For concealer, I'm using this Cutie by Kat Von D. It's the Locket Concealer in the color M19 Cool. Ooh, look like a ghost. Forgot how much I liked this foundation. I haven't worn it in ages. For my brows, I'm going in with Inglot Brow Gel Liner in number 16. I take such a long time doing my brows. One brow down, half an hour on the other one to go. Still here, just doing my brows. And just to keep my brows in place, I'm going in with Loreal Brow Artist Plumper in medium dark. Love this stuff. Ooh yeah. Now I'm just going to take that Kat Von D concealer again, take that on the brush and just carve my brows from underneath so it's just nice and defined. I'm just going to be using this MAC Prep and Prime finishing powder just to set around my eyes. I'm just using this with a fluffy Morphe M504 brush. On a serious note, how fast is this year going by already? It's already towards the end of Feb. Like, it's crazy. January flew by. I didn't even realize where it went. I hope you guys are having a lovely year. Make sure to make the most of it. I kind of usually take a small brush to set around my eyes and my eyebrows. And then I go with like more of like a fluffy brush to set the rest of my face. Big brush, I'm using this one. Oop. This brush is from Media Makeup. It's the academy I did my makeup course from. I never used to like powdering my face because I was like, oh, I want that dewy, like really nice highlighted look. But soon after I realized I just can't do that because I've got oily skin and it just ends up looking sweaty. Like, can you not? Not clean. I don't want to waste this foundation. For my contour, I'm going in with the contour kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills in light to medium, and I just sort of used a combination of the last three shades. Is the 22B Napoleon brush that I'm using for the contour, and I'm going around my hairline as well. I'm going in with MAC Hush Cream Color Base, Huda Beauty Summer Highlighter Palette, and I'm going in with Malibu. Usually highlighter used to be like my finishing touch to the look, so I used to do it last. But lately I've been loving doing all my base and then have my glow on before I do my eyes. How do you guys do it? So I'm going to be taking this Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. I'm going to take the orange color. Pop that in my crease. This orange doesn't really look orange on me, but it's still a very pretty color. The next color I'm taking is the red color in the same palette. I'm gonna pop that underneath the orange so you can still see the orange, but I'm adding that little bit of red underneath. After each step, I'm just going to be taking this Morphe brush and just blending everything through. Next, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm going to use the color Saffron. And I'm going to take my absolute favorite Inglot 10S brush. I can't do a client's makeup without this brush. Like if you look at it, it's so nice and thin. It does wonders for like precise blending. So I'm going to take that color Saffron and I'm going to pop it just at my crease. Then going in with OUD, using the same brush, I'm just going to deepen up the crease slightly. Recently I bought so much stuff from Sephora, Mecca, Priceline. I need to stop. I'm going to the area where Mecca is and I am actually scared. Scared for my wallet. Like I don't want to be spending more, but I do want to be spending more. You guys know the feeling. But I really do want the Hourglass stick foundation. I've heard such good things about it and I saw someone wearing it and it looked like flawless. You guys see how that looks slightly pink? Reds always look pink on me. It's really weird and annoying because I have never found a perfect red and I am such a big fan of using red eyeshadow. You win some, you lose some. I'm going to be using just a flat brush. This is also from Media Makeup. Focus. And I'm going to be using saffron just underneath. Trying so hard to prevent making ugly faces on camera. Now I'm going to take OUD to darken that up a little bit. I really love a dark, smoky bottom lash line. Such a big difference. Going back in with the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette, I'm going to take the orange. Said that really weirdly. I'm going to use that to smoke it out. And then I'm going to take the Morphe brush again and just blend out everything. Honestly, I can never put a glitter on without having a base underneath. So I'm going in with Inglot Cosmetics Aquastic in number 19. And I love these to like another level. Taking a flat brush, this one is from Zoeva 233 brush. And I'm going to sort of cut my crease. The only thing with these is that they dry really quickly. So you have to be really quick with blending it. And I do want to sort of blend it out from the outer edge. I think I took it too far. You see what I mean? Like it doesn't blend. And using one of the reds, I'm going to pat it over and blend it out. I'm going to pack this on where the Inglot Aquastic is. So it creates a nice gradient into the red. I like it. For my waterline, I'm going with Australis 10-Hour Wear Pencil in Aqua Attack. We're gonna let that settle. For my inner corners, I'm going to be using Stila Magnificent Metal Glitter and Glow in Diamond Dust. I'm going to be taking that on the Zoeva 230 Luxe Pencil Brush. For eyeliner on top, I'm going in with my huge Kat Von D Ink Liner in Trooper. I'm just going to take that flat brush we used and just wriggle it around on the lash line just to smudge the outer corner a little bit. I'm taking a little bit of OUD to do this. I'm going in with the new Benefit mascara. It's called the Bad Girl Bang Mascara. And this one's really good and I do have a first impression kind of video on my YouTube channel. Check that out. I'll link it up here. And it really gets in there. And for lashes, I'm using my new favorite lashes. Well, they're not my new favorite lashes. I still like the Iconics by House of Lashes the most, but I have been loving the Starlet lashes by House of Lashes. These lashes are just really nice and fluffy. They look amazing. I love the dark eyelash glue by Duo, but recently I have really been liking this new one. They've changed their packaging and this one's a clear one and I've actually been really liking it. It dries a lot quicker than this one. So if you have really watery eyes and you don't want to be like sitting there with a tweezer just like holding it while the glue dries, this one is really quick. So that's something that I would suggest if you have really watery eyes like me. The key is to really just wait a couple of seconds and let the color fade a little bit. So that's how you know that the lash glue is getting tacky. Then you are ready to apply. I think the consistency is a lot thinner, so make sure that you don't put too much glue onto the lashes, and that is really good because your lashes last for longer that way. Still don't know how people put lashes on camera. I can't do it properly. I'm gonna give it a try today. Yeah, no, I'm gonna be right back. Look how good these lashes are. Do you guys see it? And I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Now I'm just going in with the Huda Beauty highlighter again. Just this one here, and applying that under my brow bone. The Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in Flirt Limecrime Velveteen in Marshmallow. I'm going to create an ombre effect. And that's my take on a nude lip. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Like and subscribe. My Instagram link is also down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.